Second round la participate பண்ண போறவங்க second round. 3, 2, 1, here we go.
They put a very unique event here today. It was a 10K run and a 5K run through the fields and through the villages. The weather was fantastic, the crowd was amazing. I had a great time. I think it's a great initiative. And Ramanan also ran 5 kilometers. So I think the plan is to create a wellness project here for the people of Chennai and of course people who come from outside Chennai, and also to have events like this regularly, so that we all know that we need more events, more running events, more cycle events. If people want to remain healthy and fit, they need goals, they need initiatives and experiences like this. So thank you very much for giving this here. Thank you very much for inviting me. I had a great time. Would you like to say a few words? Yeah. What? Tamil, come. Next month, Yalandadi cyclathon பண்றோம். அந்த மாதிரி every month வந்து ஒரு activities இந்த எலிஃபென்டைன் சர்க்யூட்ல ரெகுலரா பண்றது தான் எங்களோட நோக்கம். அண்ட் இது வந்து கம்ப்ளீட்டாக ஒரு ஹெல்த் அண்ட் ஃபிட்னஸ் வெல்னஸ் இனிஷியேட்டிவாக வந்து ஆரம்பிச்சிருக்கோம். ஹோப்ஃபுல்லி லாங் ரன்னாக கொண்டு போவோம். தேங்க்யூ.